What's up guys, new YouTube video. Today I will be covering my trading week again. I took 2 trades. They both went very well, as you will see, but we got fucked over with spreads because of FOMC. On the charts we did not get stopped out, but we did get stopped out on, of course, our prop firm and my live account, because they fuck with these spreads and everything. So I'm not gonna say I had a bad week because the trades played out very good, but I will say it just sucks because we didn't make any profit. What's also happening, guys, is I will be launching traders, and I'm not wearing any fits because I have to wear it tomorrow to the airport. Also my desk for the traders, guys. You can charge your phone while trading, so that's fucking nuts. I'm launching that today, later today, so fucking hyped for that. Get your shit, get your t-shirt, be different, be proud on it, and rock it. That's it. I will be going to Spain tomorrow. I will vlog there, I will go lock in, I will trade there, I will, do the shit I always do. So yeah, 2 trades. I'm going over both of them. This is boring fucking content, guys, I know, but it is for me to document my journey, and it is for you guys to see really raw footage of how a profitable trader thinks, throws his zone, analyzes, does his shit, also enters. When I enter, send it to the signal group, send it to the Discord, discuss with the team, the whole bullshit. So enjoy. If you have any questions, make sure to ask. What's up, guys? Back with a new trade. I am in a short on CHF, and I will quickly explain why. So we have, of course, this is a short bullish trend, but we broke it super clean. Ta-da. So for me, we are bearish. We created a strong drop. Strong drop means there is somewhere a supply, and that supply for me is all the way here. So this whole box, to be honest, is a complete supply for me. We started to see rejection coming from these wicks, which is pretty normal, because if you go to the 1 hour, you can see this is where your last candle concept begins. It is your first supply zone. We went in there pretty hard. We went a bit above it, makes it kind of invalid, but still we rejected it super hard coming from here, which is still super valid. And then, as you can see, we started to drop, and then here this was a very nice first push this night, and then we basically wanted to see a retest here and some rejections, which we also got perfectly. So we had a push down, we had a retest right here, rejection, and that's where I decided to enter. Let's see, entry is this weird price action right now to USD news, I think. So we had a push down, and then we had a little consolidation right here. We created a new supply right there, and then just all other supplies right there. So for me, this was a clean sign to enter. We were also consolidating on here, kind of rejecting it. We went a bit in profit, then we had a sudden push up, and now this is a new candle, I don't know, but still, like I said, this whole area is supply, so a lot of orders may still come in, even maybe above here. We gotta retest these levels, I don't know, but everything from here is just clean. Break even level is right here. Depending on market structure, I will either do it right here or at the bottom, because this is a demand and I'm mostly paid above a demand. But Lorenzo made the signal, so it's not really an issue. Take profit, of course, these lows, and then we are targeting a little over 4 risk rewards, so which is really good. We are still a bit in the drawdown right now, but yeah, it doesn't really matter, because like I said, this is all supply and we could still reject it heavily. I'll give you guys updates when needed. What's up, guys? Oh my days, what's wrong with my hair? So what, don't look at that, look at the charts. Little market update, of course. It's 9:30 a.m. chart. So catch CHF, it did kind of exactly what I explained that it could do. I told y'all that this was basically the whole supply and that we could still go higher to retest it. We did it right here and then we immediately dropped after. So as you can see, we here still had to game for a retest higher. I don't know why. Happens, I don't care why. And then from there on we just saw a massive drop, bum 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 bum. And then what for me is really important is that we broke these lows. We didn't close below it, we just wicked below it super quick, so that is kind of annoying, but still for me that is a sign of bearish structure. And right now, to be honest, what we could do is, as you can see, I draw an error right here. So we have a point here, we have a point here, we have a point here, here, and then again here. So what did I do? I said, of course, we broke it now. Now again, we need to see a retest, and at the moment it is kinda retesting it. So I will hold this trade probably through spread hour, and I will swing it to the next day. I will not hold it if all of a sudden price does this and gets in this range within an hour 30, but I really doubt that. So yeah, what this could be is literally our lower low, and then we continue like this. That would be very, very, very nice. So guys, as you can see down below, it's almost 1 AM, but as you also can see, since last time we really respected this level, as I explained, because I am a wizard. No, so I moved my stop loss to break even. I told the guys in the server and in the same group to move stop loss to break even after spread hour. So let's break it through. We were here when spread hour begin, and I said 15, 17 pips, so I said 11, 15, sorry, I said 11, 15 pips, but then it was actually like 18, 19 pips away. Didn't want to risk anything to lose this trade because we put on break even, and it got Hitler during, wait, did I say Hitler? And it got hit during spread hour, so I waited, and now it's fucking 12:44 midnight, so I put my stop loss break even. We have beautiful price action. It's been a while, but we have beautiful price action, and now, to be honest, the only thing that I was concerned of were these levels, because those are all support levels that price could have rejected off, but since we literally broke them all, and right now we have this, which is nothing, no supply, no support, nothing, I can expect price to drop kind of fast to around this level here, because here is our first next demand zone on the 15 minutes. I don't know about, also on the 30 and 1 hour. Our first demand zone is right there. I put this red arrow here because then we are at a 3 risk reward, and for me 3 risk reward is more than fine. So yeah, full take profit of course is low. Depending on momentum, I will see whether I will close here at 3 risk reward or that I will hold. But at the moment it is looking very fucking solid. Previous 4-hour close was fucking amazing. So yeah, hold, and then we will see what happens. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just had a call with my Discord, gave them a quick update about how we're looking. It's not looking super good, but it's also not looking bad, to be honest, because as you can see we are going up again, but we had this untested supply right here, which we are now retesting, which is super good. We are respecting it, so that's exactly what I wanted to see. We tapped in it. It's hard to see right now, but we tapped in it. This is the supply on a 50-minute, this 30-minute, 1-hour supply, and we are respecting it. So for me, this could be the sign that this is our lower high, and then if you respect this, we could now create a new lower low and continue the downwards movement. If this does not get respected, we will probably hit break even. So yeah, we will see what happens in the next hours, minutes. Yeah, that's it on CAD-CHF, and then also I am currently waiting on my entry model on NZD-CHF. So for those who know my strategy, we have a little block scan, we have our strong breakout through, we have everything that matches on Trades AI. So now just my 15-minute entry model would be perfect. I don't think I will wait for something like this because that's already far, but more something like good rejection, pullback, and then I will probably enter. What's up, guys? I think I am going to enter NZD-CHF. Probably what I'm saying. I'm currently making my signal. Right. Let's calculate our lot size. So perfect. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Sending it in the Discord. And now entering myself. That's 3.9 lots. Correct account. Trade 49545 so done. Boom, we're in. However, CAD-CHF are almost out, so that sucks. Didn't expect that at all. But it's fine, I guess. It's fine, I guess. Yep, we'll see. I really like NZD-CHF. I think it's way nicer than CAD-CHF at the moment. So looking at almost 4 risk reward. There's way more volume. It just looks way nicer than CAD-CHF, to be honest. In general, respected is super clean. Broke the lows. Retested into our supply. To be honest, our entry supply is still this big, so we could see any movement coming up until there. Somewhat this whole 15-minute candle, to be honest. But that's okay, that's okay. And even then, we still have this massive supply that still could be retested. So I'm not gonna stress if he goes up, if he goes down. I don't really care. So we will now just see. I'll put my alert on the break-even level. And that's it. So this is probably my last trade for the week. I'll give you guys updates as I did with the other one. And yeah, see you there. Good fucking horrible morning, guys. Very, very, very bad, but absolutely good news. So, yep. You can see both fucking trades played out amazing. We should be in a massive profit right now, but what's wrong with the screen? That's better. But I say but because FOMC fucked us over, and right here see this, he tapped us out on break even. So this one went to break even, and then right here, this is insane. I will show you guys on my MetaTrader. This is where FOMC came out, right? FOMC came out bearish. And I will show you guys on MetaTrader right now. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Look. Look where he stopped us out. What the fuck? So, look where he stopped us out and look how bad he's dropping. Guys, I can't make this up anymore. He would have been up on this one, I think, like 2, the squad, yeah, 2, and then get CHF. We would have been up 4 fucking percent, bro. 4 fucking percent. This is the worst luck I've ever had. I think in my complete trading career. This is nuts. And you could say like, oh yeah, he traded FOMC. Yeah. No, I traded NZD CHF. I backtested FOMC. The outcome was almost guaranteed to stay the same. The this volatility was nothing previous times, literally nothing previous times. And then of course prop firms hit us with a massive spread because they just can, and they're just a bunch of losers. But luckily Noah, a guy from our team, is still in, and he I think he can request a payout almost. So that's still fire, of course. And I've heard some other people that are also still in the trade, so I am very happy for them. However, I guess this was just not my week. 2 trades, 1, do you even call this a loss? I guess 1 loss, 1 break even. So guys, it's Saturday now, markets are closed. Just want to show you guys how I would have closed if I was still in. I would have closed before the weekend, of course. I would have closed at 2.2 on ZDCHF, and I would have closed on when he probably broke this or was there, I would have closed on 2.2, so that's 4.4 that I missed out because of some bullshit. 4.4, you know, on a 200k on all my accounts, 2 million on accounts, it's a lot of money. So that kind of sucks. But that was it. I'll see you guys next week in a new video. Make sure to follow traders, make sure to ask questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.